A new career opportunity announcement from Copland Keebler and Wallace. Radley Run Country Club seeks a general manager, chief operating officer with effective, hands-on leadership, strong business acumen, and impeccable credentials. Located in historic Westchester, Pennsylvania, in the scenic Brandywine Valley, Radley Run Country Club was founded in 1965 as a family-oriented private club. The club features an 18-hole championship golf course with rolling terrain, ponds, and a meandering stream that adds challenge and beauty. Additional amenities include golf practice facilities, tennis courts, platform courts, and pickleball options, supported by robust programming and instruction. Additional highlights include a swimming pool with sun terrace and multiple indoor and outdoor dining venues. Radley Run operates year-round and emphasizes family programming, member events, and dining throughout the year, so members can enjoy its pastoral setting and community atmosphere continuously. Salary is open and commensurate with qualifications and experience. For a complete position profile and application instructions, consult the Copland Keebler and Wallace website under current openings.